Where? Pigeon River at Newport, Tennessee. When? From this evening to tomorrow afternoon. Impacts: at 8.0 feet, minor flooding occurs downstream from Gage on Highway 25/70 and in the community of Edwina. Jimtown Road may be affected. Additional details: at 9 a.m. Sunday the stage was 4.9 feet. Bankville stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 9.0 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice